Hello guys, let us see how to build a field service workout optimization dashboard in the Salesforce. Let's dive into it. The field service work order optimization system streamlines operations for the company, providing installations and repairs utilizing a robust database. The system efficiently matches work orders with skilled technicians based on technical locations. Now, first of all, we should create a Salesforce account using the following link. Now we should fill the details like our name, email, role, company, etc. At last, we should also declare a username which should contain @ and it should look like a Gmail. After that, later when we fill submit button and fill the details, then we will get a mail from the Salesforce like this. And if we enter the link by using the username and set a password, we will dive into the Salesforce Trailblazer account. Then after that, we should create an object for the Excel sheet. For that, we should enter into the object manager. Object manager, and then we should we will see the option that custom objects from spreadsheet at the right side of the screen. So if we click on that, you will be redirected into a new page where you can upload a Excel sheet from your local database, and you can create an object through that. So here we will create a object for technician.csv file and another file. We also create work order object in the same way as we created the technician object, and then we will create assignment object directly from the Trailblazer account, and we will fill the following details and create an assignment object. And we should make sure that we also change the small minor details, and we should click them. And later we should go to home, and then in the quick search if we type tab name, then the following user interface appears. After that, if we click new beside the custom object tabs, then an interface shows that object name and tab style. Here we should give object as or select object as assignment, and tab style you can choose anything, and then you can move forward and again come back to home page and type lighting search. There we will be shown the following interface, and there create new lighting app. Then we will be following interface appears, then you will be giving the name and click next, and also some next, and directly move to the fourth step, and there you will be showing the following interface. From there, from the left tab, you will drag the following options into the right side part of the tab, and then click next. And after that, you will be shown some names under available profiles. There you should type system administrator and drag the system administrator to the selected profiles. Okay, then we will be moving to next and following fields and relationship. The fields and relationships usually shows the data types of the objects under the values which are present in the object. So here creating a lookup field in the assignment object. No, the assignment object usually exists in the object manager, and if we enter into the object manager and search for the assignment object, we will find the assignment object. Then if we click on the assignment object, the left side part we can identify that fields and relationships, page layouts, details, etc. And in the fields and relationships we can create some of the new values or see the existing types. And if we want to create new values, we should click the new option, and then we will be shown some of the data types if we click the new option, and then we should select the relevant data type which is required for us, and then we will click next. So after clicking next, we should select the type of object required. Then we'll give name, label, and provide some description. Then if we click next, and then we can save it. After that, we we want to manage our values. So again, we will come back to assignment and fields and relationships. Then we will click on the location, and there if we want to manage some of the values present in the location object. There we are going to add Nasik, Warangal, Nanded to the existing values. So the next step, we will also create two more fields like priority, service type, and set their values as high and hardware, troubleshoot, lane management, etc. Now we are going to create a new ID using data type of formula. Then if we click next, we will be redirected to this following page where we click advanced formula, and then we will give the created date as that mentioned. And if we check the syntax, we click the check syntax button, then it will show the following: no syntax errors in merge fields or functions. Then we will click next and we will save it. After that, the next step is creating remaining fields for the respective objects. So here we also create the technician ID with data type of lookup and assignment date with the return type as date and completion date. So thus this is the part which we should perform in fields and relationships. And coming to profiles we can usually create some of the profiles in the Salesforce dashboard. Now if we quickly come back to home page and at the quick search, if we type the profiles, then we will be shown this following interface, and there if we click on new interface, a new profile, then it will ask like this. And at the first input box we should select standard platform user, and the second profile name we should give technician. Then we should change the following values for the assignments, technician, work order, and we should check the check boxes. Then after that, if we click save button, then we will be redirected to custom field level security, and there we should change the work order view. And if we click save, the profile is created, and users are defined as employees of our organization, or also we can create as many number of users in the Salesforce dashboard and assign roles, tasks, etc. Here we are creating a user with the following details: first name as Elena, last name Gilbert, and the following details are restored like this. After creating users, we are going to create some Apex classes and Apex triggers. So we will be going to we're going to press the home button, and there at the right top we are having a gear option which is same as the settings button. And if we click the gear button, it will show the following things: setup, service setup, and developer console. So usually we are going to create Apex classes and Apex triggers with our Java programming language. And if we click the developer console, a new console will be open, and the following options will be shown to us. And if we click on file and then new and next Apex class, a new class name should be given to it before creating a class. And then in the input box we should give the class name as WorkOrder class, and then the following code should be written in the developer console and save it. Also, we are creating the Apex trigger. As same as the Apex class, we also follow the same procedure for Apex triggers. And all the Apex classes and Apex triggers works on specified function or specified task. At last, we are creating reports and generating the dashboards. Actually, the reports are based on the technician.csv and workload.csv files. The following reports are created by going to the reports in the home page, and we will create the reports where we will perform some operations related to database, and we will create total number of 3 reports, namely work order status reports, technician and assignment details reports. After that, we are going to create a dashboard where we can understand the data and the relations very much easily. Thus, we will also go to the dashboard option, and then create a new dashboard option. So we will create 2 dashboards, dashboard 1 and dashboard 2, and we will link the dashboard to the report and take the reports, and we will show or represent in the form of graphs.